Hi, my name is Gabriela Castillo. I'm part of Team Nicaragua in Remax Coastal Properties in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. Today I wanted to show you one of my top listings. It's called Casa Libertad in Lomas de Palermo in San Juan del Sur. So some of the highlights of this property include this incredible outdoor area that is also pet friendly. It's completely fenced in so you can have all your fur babies out here with tranquility. You'll know that they'll be here. It also is an amazing entertainment space with an outdoor semi-kitchen here. But the best of all is this insanely spacious chef quality indoor kitchen that is just gonna blow your mind. The main house has 3 ensuite bedrooms, 1 master bedroom upstairs and 2 bedrooms downstairs that are ensuite. Then we have the guest bedroom upstairs, and downstairs in this area we have caretaker's quarters, which isn't common in your area, but here caretaker's quarters have a lot of value. So you can also remodel these caretaker's quarters to maintain them as caretaker's quarters or remodel it for yet another bedroom.